So hyperbola, this is the A dash, this is the focus F1, this is the focus F2. So focus will be AE comma 0. Here is the focus point is minus AE comma 0. This is A vertex, that is this point is A vertex, that is you can get A comma 0. This is the point is A dash minus A comma 0. Okay, this point is B. How you getting this one? You will be having like this actually, which is passing through the origin. You will be having like asymptotes. So this intersection point only center. So there will be, so this form will be there. So however, it may be B dash, B is here 0 comma minus B, here B is here 0 comma B. Okay, and all the things I explained. This is the called as transversal axis. Length of transversal axis is equal to, length of transversal axis is 2a. This is called as conjugate axis, which is perpendicular. Length of conjugate axis is equal to 2b. Okay, and I have told already that length of lattice rectum, length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. Okay, this is I explained already. But if you have conjugate hyperbola, suppose you have conjugate hyperbola, if the hyperbola is like this, I will give all the terms once, I will write all the terms, so you no need to worry. So this is the another hyperbola conjugate to this. This is F1, this is F2, focus 1, focus 2. This will be 0 comma, 0 comma, what is this? 0 comma, 0 comma B. Okay, and this is 0 comma minus B, and here this is A, this is A dash, and this is the B point, this is the B dash point, this is 0 comma B, this is 0 comma minus B. Length of transversal axis, here this is transversal axis which is having focus. Axis which has focus lying on the axis is called transversal axis. Here length of transversal axis is 2b. Length of conjugate axis will be 2a. There will be reverse here and here. Length of transversal axis 2a, length of conjugate axis 2b. Here is length of transversal axis 2b, length of conjugate axis 2a. And here to here you know this length. And here to here that is only length name I wrote. This is transversal, this is conjugate. Okay, next here what we have to find next point is 0 minus b comma e over focus point is over, and this is the length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is what? Length of lattice rectum is equal to 2a square by b, correct? In this case 2a square by b you will get. B comma e substitute in the equation. This is the equation of x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, and this is the equation of x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. This is minus 1 and this is plus 1. Okay, understood? Length of lattice rectum over, okay. Eccentricity, you know, eccentricity is equal to what? Eccentricity is equal to here under root of 1 plus b square by a square, right? In this case eccentricity is equal to under root of 1 plus a square by b square, right? You should know these things, okay, these points you should know. So here now I covered all the points because you have not studied and came. So I covered all the points here, just shortly I revised. You go to home and revise yesterday video again, okay? So here x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. This is a standard equation of the hyperbola. and x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. It's a conjugate equation of the hyperbola. Now here all I explained everything. Here what are the things we have? I will write one by one, like vertices, how many are there? Vertices you know, na? So should I write all the things? Or you know? Okay, now what is the center here? Can you tell me, anybody? Center, what is the center? I'll write all the point. Can you tell me what is the center here? Come on, tell me. What is the center of this hyperbola? 0, 0, na? Arey yaar, yehi hai na center. This is only center. O also C, we can say that center is 0, 0. Why you are worrying this? Ellipse में भी पढ़े ना आपने? You have learned in ellipse also. What you people are doing, I don't understand. Now tell me what are the vertices? Vertices. Tell me what are the vertices here? What are the vertices? For this one is what? A comma 0 minus a comma 0. These are the vertices. This is the vertex. This is the vertex. And for this one, what are the vertices here? For this one, what are the vertices? Vertices is what? 0 comma b, 0 comma minus b for this. What is the center for this? So both I am telling you. Center is 0 comma 0. Vertices is this one. Here also center is 0 comma 0. Vertices is this one. Right. Now tell me, what are the focus? Foci, tell me. What is the foci here? Foci is what? Plus or minus a comma 0. Now tell me what is the foci here? Foci 0 comma plus or minus b. एक plus b or एक minus b. Now what is the length of transversal axis here? What is the length of transversal axis? Length of transversal axis here to here, 2a. What is the length of transversal axis here? 2b. What is the length of conjugate axis here? 2b. What is the length of conjugate axis here? 2a. Understood? Now these are all the things I am revising now. Now you know directrix. This will be the directrix. This will be the directrix. Already I told. One point will be there. You can watch yesterday video. You will get this point. The distance from here by here. That is, suppose this is a point M and this is a point F1 and this is a point P. So PM by PF1. That ratio will give you eccentricity. Eccentricity is greater than 1. Hyperbola. Eccentricity is equal to 1. Ellipse. Eccentricity is equal to 1. Parabola. Eccentricity is equal to 1. Parabola. Eccentricity is in between of 0 and 1. Ellipse. Eccentricity is greater than 1. Hyperbola. So here eccentricity is greater than 1. This ratio is eccentricity. This is the directrix. Now what is the equation of directrix? X is equal to A by E. In this case, what is the directrix? In this case, what is the directrix? X is equal to minus A by E. And what is this point name? This point name is A by E comma 0. Vertex of directrix is A by E comma 0. Vertex of directrix is minus A by E comma 0. Right. What is the here? In this case, you will be having, these are the directrix. This will be the one more directrix. Now what is the equation of this one? X is equal to what is this? Directrix, tell me. Tell me what is the directrix? B by E na? अरे वो तो A by E है तो B by E ना? This is B by E and this will be minus B by E. So directrix in this case is what? Directrix is in this case plus or minus A by E. In this case directrix is what? Directrix is, what is that? Plus or minus B by E. So directrix over, center over. Next, what is that? What is that? Eccentricity. Eccentricity is most important. What is the eccentricity? E is equal to, in this case is what? Under root of here 1 plus b square by a square plus you will get. So this is also can be written as a square plus b square by a square also you can write. So this is the eccentricity. E is equal to under root of 1 plus b square by a square. In this square, E is equal to what? Under root of 1 plus a square by b square. Eccentricity. अच्छा इसेंट्रिसिटी हो गया. उसके बाद क्या है, इसको दूसरा फॉर्म भी लिख सकते हो, ये भी रिमेंबर कर सकते हो. बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, इफ यू स्क्वायर दिस वन you get another equation, b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. This is also you can remember eccentricity placement. Here also in this case is a square is equal to b square into e square minus 1. You can remember this case also. Otherwise you can remember this only, squaring on both sides, making a subject, you will get that. Squaring on both sides, making b subject, you will get this. So this is what? Eccentricity. Now length of lattice rectum is, what is the length of lattice rectum? This is the length of lattice rectum. In this case what? 2b square by a. Here what is the length of lattice rectum? This is the length of lattice rectum, means the focal chord, double ordinate which is passing through the focus is the lattice rectum. What is the lattice rectum here? 2a square by b. Here is what? 2b square by a. बोला था. In ellipse also this is only ना. Ellipse आपको आया तो ये आ गया. Ellipse you have learned. Now next what is the equation of transversal axis? What is the equation of transversal axis here? X is equal to 0. This is x axis na. X axis means what? Y is equal to 0. Y axis means what? X axis is equal to 0. Means what is the equation of transversal axis here? Equation of transversal axis is what? Y is equal to 0. This is y 0 na. So equation of transversal axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of conjugate axis will be, this is the y axis. X is equal to 0. So same way here, that is reverse. Equation of transversal axis, y is equal to y axis means x is 0. Equation of conjugate axis, y is equal to 0. Like that will be there. So these all the points which I have to cover. I have retaught today. Okay, note down these all things. Now we will do problems based on this.